going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you don't know me, I am Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects. I do makeup, beauty, tutorials, hauls, unboxings, all kinds of stuff. Today we are going to be unboxing my Mehron order. It just came to the door and I'm super excited to go through everything with you guys. So if you want to see what's in my Mehron box, then stay tuned. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. My Instagram handle will pop up right here at the beginning of this video, probably right now. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok as well. I am almost to 10K. I'm super excited. So stay tuned. If you want to see what's in my box, keep watching. All right, everybody, so the first thing that I have in my box is the Mehron Makeup Tooth FX. I'm super excited about this product because it is basically like effects that you can use on your teeth. I plan on making my own teeth prosthetics and using these. I got this in the white shade, and then I also got it in the shade black, so you can see like what it kind of does on here. Perfect for all kinds of special effects. The next thing I got in my box is the Mehron Ad Gem. The reason why I purchased this product is because I usually use like lash glue or Prozade or liquid latex to apply, you know, gems and stuff on my face, but I wanted to give this a try just to see how much better it would hold on my face, and it also came with some gem. The next products I got in my box are called the Glitter Mark. Very excited about these. It's like a little squeeze tube and it is what it is. It's glitter. So I got this really cool blue shade. Is there actually a shade name? Let me see. I'm not quite sure. No, but it's like an aqua shade. Really cool. And then I got a red shade, which I'm super excited about. I don't usually use too much red, but I figured with like my body painting when I do red looks that this would be a nice little touch to have an actual like squeeze bottle. My dog just sneezed. To have an actual squeeze bottle of glitter, so it's like easier to work with. The next thing I have in my box is a new brush. Check this bad boy out. This is the Paradise Makeup AQ830. I needed a bigger, it's all new and scrunchy. I needed a new brush that had like a bigger area to work with. So I got this one. I thought that was really cool. It's nice and big. I love how the handle is kind of like see-through. It's really nice and heavy duty plastic. So this will work perfectly. The next items I got in my box I'm also super excited about, and I couldn't remember which colors I ordered, so I'm really happy that I got these. I got some crepe hair. So crepe hair is basically hair. It comes in a braid, and a lot of people use this wrong. You are not supposed to keep it in the braid. You're supposed to unravel it and use it however you want to apply the hair on. So it just comes like this, and then again, like you unravel it and kind of place it in the areas that you want. So I got some white crepe hair. I got brown crepe hair, which I'm really excited about because I had an idea for a look I wanted to do and I needed brown, and I couldn't remember if I got brown or not, so I did. So here's the brown, and then I got, of course, black. I figured all of those perfect natural colors. You can mix them, you can paint them, which is really nice, which is why I got the white one, because you can, you know, add your own color to it. And yeah, so I got 3 of these. The next item I got in my box again is a little detailing brush. This is the Mehron Paradise Makeup AQ. This is the 810 brush. So that is what the end looks like. It's super tiny, perfect for those little tiny handmade details. It looks like it's gonna be perfect. The hairs are nice and going straight and pointy, which I love. So the next product I got is some Mehron eyelashes. These are the EG320. I think these are really pretty. Kind of has, let me see, I'll open it. It's got kind of like white shimmery stuff on it. I think it would be really cool for like a snow kind of look, or like an elf or something, or like a queen of some sort. I've actually never tried Mehron eyelashes before, so that's why I wanted to just at least buy one and kind of give it a whirl and see how they would work. The next thing I got is the Mehron Color Set Powder. I have been using the Ben Nye Neutral Set Colorless Powder, which again I love, but I bought kind of a smaller one, and I usually will pour it in the cap, and the cap is really small and I just don't want to dump powder everywhere, so that's why I got this bad boy. It's got a nice big lid so that I can put the powder in here and use it. So the last two products I got, which is the whole reason for my purchase, was I was running out of liquid latex. Now I use liquid latex on a ton of my special effects looks and I go through so much. I had a size like this and I wanted a bigger size, so I got a big size in just the regular white liquid latex. And then I got a smaller version in the zombie colored liquid latex. So that is all of the Mehron products in my box. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. If you made it this far, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I would love it. Again, as I said in the beginning of the video, if you check out my Instagram and my TikTok, as I'm almost at 10K. I'm so excited, and stay tuned for something special for that. Thank you so much, you guys. I truly appreciate you, every single one of you, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.